Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO A80 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of OPPO. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on OPPO, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To input this key, tap on Input key. Type in all of those numbers and hit Receive. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!